Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Asus AX6600. Begin by unboxing, connecting your modem to the WAN port, and powering the router. Use a wired PC for the first run, then visit 192, 168, 1 to enter the web setup. Create an admin password, update firmware if available, and choose a strong Wi-Fi name and password. Save settings, and restart the router to apply changes and confirm internet access across devices. Set up wireless properly to get the best coverage and speed from your Asus AX6600. Pick a memorable SSID and enable WPA3 when supported, falling back to WPA2 for older devices. Use the scanner to select the quietest 2, 4 GHz and 5 GHz channels, or let the router auto-select for you. Turn on Co-S to prioritize gaming or streaming, and enable AI Mesh if you plan to expand coverage with extra units. Dive into advanced options carefully to tailor the AX6600 to your needs. Always update firmware before changing critical settings to avoid conflicts. Configure port forwarding for services like gaming or remote access, and use AI protection for network security. Set a static IP for devices that need consistent addresses, and enable automatic backups so you can restore settings easily. Test changes and monitor performance to ensure everything runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.